Hi, welcome again to Zebyoo. Today we are discussing on the new features that we build up, and trust me, you have liked it. And our system was changed to everything. Okay, so payment also was changed, and we are not accept any PayPal method because the some client of mine have fraud with me. So they get script, but I think they have something. I don't know what hell, but we are not accept PayPal. We are fully disallow this, and something new in this. I just tell you the something new. The new feature was this. Now you can use the feature just like that. The okay. This one is a message portal. If you are listening this voices just like message send, okay. So here is your SM device also on here and the WhatsApp also on here, okay. So I will just add a number, okay, and I have to send hello brother, how are you? And I just want to add an image, okay. If I want to send the video, if I send the anything on here, it will be sent directly. So whatever I send, it will be one. If you want to show, I just show you on here. You go and I select this one. Whatever I select, it will be sent. Then you have to select and send. That's it. This message was sent and the message was sent perfectly. Okay, you see, and here you can see the message also was sending. Now you have to select contact just like that. You can see the contact was changed. Okay, your full contact list on here. Okay, you can search whatever you was. It was, and you also search. You can add also on here. I just wait. I just first I have to go back. First I am feel I am just tell you the contact how you can add. Okay, first you have to select your group. Okay, just like I am select this one name any, and I want to add my number. Okay, then I just submit. Already exists. This means this one is already exists. Okay, so I would just add something new. Okay, okay, I just would add someone number. It will be done. Okay, you can add multiple name on here. He will not get you back again. You can go back and you see here is the number here received. And you can click also on here. You can click on number also. It will become here. If you click on here, it will you'll see this thing. And if you want to edit this number, then it will be edit also on you can see. And if you go back, then it will be if you want to add this one, then this one you can put the name and it will be updated also on here. Okay, and after that you can delete also on here. If I want to delete this one, and it will be deleted.
आप किधर है?
पापा हैदराबाद
हैदराबाद में उधर क्यों?
काम था anything, and after that you can add an employee on here. You can add your employee. After that, you can add the name just like my name, just like that, and the number 99198. Okay, and add employee number. Okay, this was employees add, and now you can go back. You see, employee number is add, and after that you can also send from this one. Here is one number. Okay, and the email, you can send the email for everywhere you want. You just type a name, email, and subject what you want. Try new one. Okay, and send. Okay, it's a success email. If you receive the success sent, then it will be here. You can see the email was received. You see, try new one, subject that we add. You see, email was received, and you can add a multiple, then it will be replied to the multiple email. Okay, see the am and an, the difference between that. I send it. You see, the message was received on here. You can see the message again received. Try new one, 922 and 923, and this one is the receipt. You see, right? So you can manage from here also. Okay, and something that you want to add a client to lead. Now we are developed. Okay, so I have developed some new things, just like the, and not even if you want this one on here, you can test and it will be here. Okay, so you want whatever you want employee in between that, it will be definite. If you want this one as well as it will be here. Okay, and you can select chat, it will be open the chat, and you can ask, and you can move you want, and you can send message whatever you want, and it also working, and it's full update. And second update was we are making that to live off to client add. First generate a lead to the employee for WhatsApp. Okay, you can create a client to lead just like he is a client, and this number was a client. You can just imagine that here it was lead and client, and customer panel was you have to give it. You can also add here, and you can generate from this one, and this one also you can generate, and after that you can click on that. After that it will be assigned a lead, then it will be second pop-up open here, and you can select your employee ID to WhatsApp and device, just like that. You can select WhatsApp account, and what device that you want, then it will be, you can add your employee device also on here. Okay, so your employee was making the calls also, and you can take the recording, it will become on to this device section to recordings, all recording and call history. Okay, of the employees, and you can ask with that, and something you can get. And you can take the new one here as well, and the new feature we have built three features. You can also add video chat on that. Okay, so it will be audio chat, and maybe it's working. Okay, if you want this email, so you can manage your email from here. Okay, you can email from here, you can create email, share, configure mail server. You can add your mail and config mail server. If after that you can add your camping also on here. Okay, the one by marketing. Okay, and after that you have create your own template to design on here. Okay, this one also we are giving to you, and something just new of that, we are creating a payment option on here, so you can manage. Okay, in a device you can manage from where you can see that manage from the device, email and WhatsApp. Okay, so you can send the payment link to directly to the dynamic condition to the chatbot you can use, and whatever you use you can follow up that. So we have right now we have only for this thing. One way you can easily manage from here. You can slide in. We have add four more tab on here. You can slide that just like that. I'm sliding. Okay, you just slide that, and you can view the customer client. Okay, customer client and lead, and second was payment link. You can directly create from here, and you can send also for directly from here. Okay, so that was the payment link, and you also generate an invoice also on from this payment link. If you create the invoice, customer number and email needed and address was needed, you can already create on that customer. So this one given to the link, and you create an invoice in your section with your logo and something else. So you can send invoice on mail and WhatsApp also, and you can send from the SMS also. But it will be, you can send the link to download the invoice, but you have also send the message of invoice generated. You have create your own template for that, for the WhatsApp also, you for email also and SMS also. So we have given to the section of other one, the CRM, that will be create for the customer, create for the sections, for the payment gateway, and create for the invoices, and the main setting just like the logo, your logo and something, your domain and your whatever you have, that we have given to you. And your employee, you have to giving the permission to your employee to create what they do as well. Create the payment link for the client for the lead generation. If you assign to the your employee, that it will be directly get. And after all of that, you can manage your Facebook and Google leads directly managed from the over here. Okay, and it will auto assign to the your employee. Okay, and it will auto direct. If any link lead was come, then it will be directly sent by Excel sheet to the WhatsApp also and email also. You can manage directly from the tag. No need anything to the formation you have to make. It's a directly formation we have to make that. And you don't need anything. You just select only for, just like if you want to select to send to the WhatsApp also, you can send SMS also, and you can email also. So you can just select the option yes, three of one. WhatsApp, if you want to send the WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp. If you send on the email SMS, then you can send the SMS also. If SMS was select, then you have to select the device also, and after that you can send from the email. Then email was come to the select the option to the send which email was you have to send that. So easy way. So you don't need anything that we have to try anything to escape that, but it will be working proper. And email, you have to add your own SMTP and PHP mail server. So you have to send from the email just like that. I have to multi add. So here you can add the multiple count of email. So you can have send, and you have a choice for the add email accounts, how much you have to email accounts you have to add. And something we have to add a SMS, that there you can use the SMS API. You have to use any API that you have want to add on here. Okay, so you will see here for the SMS and for the logo also. So you have to understand what API is there, so you can use it. So we build up right now this one section. Okay, so there is a no limit of employees that you have to earn. Here will be 8, and here is the contact list. You have to no need for the entire section for the add to the any something chat on something else on here. Okay, so here is the employee and numbers list multi. So you can send, and you can send whatever you want. You just select on here. Here is the message, and you put a number. And for the next one, we have built 3 and 4 after this month completed. This month full completed, we built 4 models for that. CRM was completely different from the all of that, and complete lead management. Okay. Third was bring the new action of just like boom, you giving the future booms just like affiliates. Okay, this one is a very good feature to add to affiliate to use for the client, and he get the client and use of that. And something new, what we have new, we have a client. So now we have opened a new panel for the client also, that will be very low cost, as well as they can use high level of revenue. Now we have only this model, so this one is the last call, and it will be updated price. Okay, so we have add a video AI. So I don't show you right now, I show you after that. So we have a lot of models on here. Okay, so we don't need any AI to perform anything on here. So we build for the work offline. We need not need for open API and anything. So open API is the key you have to get, and the promote of text that you have to get and paid off that. So we don't need. Okay.